So how you can find the value here? So first here you write 3 power 1 by 4 minus 1. This you can write 3 power 1 by 4 whole cube you can write. Same with this also you can write 3 power 1 by 4 whole square. We get again 1 by 2 only you get. Plus 3 power 1 by 4 plus 1. Now here you take 3 power 1 by 4 equal to x you take. So you write here x equal to 3 power 1 by 4. Now replace with x, then we get x minus 1. Here you get x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So here first one you write as it is x minus 1. Second one you write factorize it. So x square you take common first. If you take x square common, then x plus 1. Here plus 1 you take common. Then we get 1 into x plus 1. Now next step you can write x minus 1. Here x plus 1 as common. So you can write x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So first two here they are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we know what is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here you can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. You can write x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Again we get the same algebraic identity. So a plus b into a minus b. So you can write x square whole square minus 1 whole square. Then we get x power 4 minus 1. But we know what is x here, already we know. So replace with 3 power 1 by 4. So 3 power 1 by 4 whole power 4 minus 1. Here 4 we can cancel here. Then we get 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 is the answer, it is the value.